In order to creating here the full stack application, just go on the Google and search for jet.ai. The first link is appear, click on here. So what you can do, you can just using here your Gmail account to sign up here. And you can see, hi, Mishudhar Chandu, interact with jet.ai and explore the boundless creative world. Let's see the interface. So you can see right now it's selected as a chat mode. You can also selecting here the agent mode. And you can also see the which kind of model is basically available. GLM 5.1, this is the new model. You can also choose GLM5 Turbo as well. Because you're going to be creating here and full stack applications, so you're going to be using here the agent mode. As well as you can add here or you can connect here some of the external tools like Discord or Lurk or WeChat. Telegram is right now coming soon. So what I can do, we're going to be creating here and full stack applications. That's why I'm going to selecting here the full stack. Let's click on here. Now I need to give it here an PRD, that which kind of application that you want to build. I want to build a complete employee management projects. So I need to design here a PRD. So just go into ChatGPT and give here the prompt called build a complete employee management projects, the PRD. This is the PRD you can see on here. So what I can do, I am simply going to copy it here. Let's click on copy. Now go on the jet.ai and I am simply going to paste it to here. And simply I'm going to click on here. Let's click on send message. Now what it can do, it will creating here the full stack applications using the tech stack that I actually give it to here as the prompt. Let's wait for the few minutes or maybe 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so it's taking 10 to 15 minutes in order to creating here this entire full stack applications, and you can see here our application is basically ready. You can see some of the demo credentials and you can see the modules it basically built. And these are applications. So the best part is you can basically downloading these whole application code without any cost. You can simply going to click here to download this button and it will basically downloading here this entire code base in your folder. Okay, you can see that downloading is right now in progress. I'm not going to download it because I downloaded it before. And also the another part is basically you can basically publish the applications. You can click on publish and you will get here an URL. You can click on update because I already actually updated here. I mean, I already actually published it here. So all right, so you can see here, these are our applications right now in live. You can also access the application from it here. I'll give this link in the descriptions. And you can see dashboard, the dashboard, it how look like pending leaves, the employee code, the payroll overview, attendance trend, everything on here. You can see recent employee, the leave request. You can click on here employee. You can also add here another employee. You can see that you can add the employee with the department, which kind of department you're going to selecting it here. Even though you can also add here a new department. Let's say in your company, new department is basically created. You can click on here department and you can basically add here a department. Department name, the description, the department managers, you can give it to here. And also the attendance, you can see the attendance, check-in and the checkout. Let's say I'm going to give it here the checkout to the, let's say Arjun Patel, and I'm going to click here to checkout. Okay. And employee basically deleted. You can see checkout is basically successful. And if I'm going to search it here, let's say Arjun Patel, or you can say on here, let's say Arjun Patel. You can see here right now Arjun Patel is not here because Arjun Patel is basically checkout. Okay, you can simply going to go on the lips. You can also selecting here the employee based on that. You can give the status as a rejected or the pending. Let's say I'm going to make it here. Let's say this is rejected and click on reject. Now you can see this employee is basically in the form of rejected. As well as you can go on the payroll options, how many dollars average salary employee is basically given. You can also create here and generate payrolls. You can see the bonus or you can select it from here. Okay. This because this is a complete employee management system, and you can also go on the performance. You can see the performance of each of the employee in the form of graph as well, and top performance and total review, everything you can also see it on here. And this is a complete applications, and you can also running these applications in our own local machine as well. Just need to install some of the requirement. Okay, and you can also edit here the database on it. So that's it from my side. I hope you enjoyed this full tutorial and make sure to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends. So I'll be back with another tutorial. So till then, take care and bye bye.